Hi guys, and today I will discuss JSE JavaScript execution. This particular JavaScript, which time you to use, what time you to use. The particular JavaScript is using on sometimes not using some application, some elements not using correctly. That's time you use JSE. That's not one this particular time not using particular elements, not using correctly in particular elements, that time you using JSE. The help are more than JSE, and JSE is a unstoppable, and this is not unstoppable. And let's click new. I will create new project tjr 1111 JSE JavaScript execution, and I will paste it some code. Why? Because it's a very high. That's the reason I will paste some code and paste it same time. Copy and just see until we paste it also. And JSE first import package, particular JSE packages, and import web element of packages also. And let's import that particular web page. These are JSE packages. JavaScript executor. This particular JavaScript executor sometimes not attending, not correctly using particular JavaScripts, and not using, not working correctly in particular elements not using correctly. That time we using a particular JSE help or more. And this particular driver dot image maximize the maximizing windows, and let's see this code. And first of all, we some example is there, and we gone driver dot get title. And first I will enter username Niresh ID. After enter password, and not using particular this activity click activity, not using particular click activity. That time we use JavaScript executor. Come to the pictures, came to the pictures JavaScript executor. First we will web element, we import web based application package, and after web element we got it, and driver dot find element, and let's driver, and storing login button. JavaScript executor is equal to JavaScript driver, and execute dot executor script, and the login button is working rightly. Login button code that time we will execute correctly. This time we use this particular JavaScript. Let's run this JSE. Oops, not found that particular. I will found that the small mistakes are there. Small mistakes are there sometimes. That time copy and paste. Control V, Control S, and let's run this program. And run this program, and the window is maximized, and enter the frame and log out. This is correctly using JSE. This is the main advantage of JIC. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe. And so many videos I'm making, that videos will description provided. And